everybody, it is Julie. Welcome back to Nobody's Beauty Guru. Today I am here with some bulk filming, so get ready to see me in this a whole bunch. I have an update for Peeping Pan, for A to Z, for Reminiscing Through the Records. When I have filming days, guys, I go hard on my filming days. Let's jump right into my very first update, which is my Reminiscing Through the Records update. For this one, I had 5 products originally in it, and I still have 5 products. I'm not done anything, but I do have progress on everything, so I'm gonna go right into it and show you what I have. I was hoping to kind of like rotate this through. This is a 6-month project, so hopefully I'll finish up a couple things and move other things in, but as of right now, I still have the original 5. Spoiler alert. First up is my Hangover RX. This one is not a product that I love. You can see through it, and I am able to like bend it so that I know exactly where I am. So I am currently down to this line, which is messy, but that's about where I am. Maybe even a little bit lower. It just doesn't bend as easily. It's fine. I don't love it as a primer. I don't love it as a moisturizer, but it works okay, especially considering that I'm not wearing foundation, so I don't have to worry about how a primer reacts. I pretty much just put it on, let it set, and then powder over it with my Hourglass powder, which I'm trying to use up for another project. So that's that. My Too Faced eyeshadow primer, which I don't love, I don't hate. I also have been panning cream shadow, so I'm using this, setting it, and then using a cream shadow over it a lot of the times. And I don't think that it wears poorly. I also have not been wearing my makeup the same way that I normally did. I don't have work outside my house. I usually put on makeup for filming and then take it off. It really varies, but this one has some progress. So you can see I was up at this line originally. Now I'm down here, maybe even a little bit lower than that because I've used it a couple times since, just maybe under it. So not too bad progress with this one. I was really going hard on a cream shadow and I stopped using primer at all. So this one didn't get used for a little bit, which is my fault. And then I have my Taylor Swift Perfume, which came out of my purse and I stopped using as much. So there's not as much progress as the first time, but still progress. This was for a Taylor Swift song that came on. I don't know which one. Some progress. I just need to remember to use it. I have it on today. I don't hate it. It doesn't last forever, so I really can reapply it pretty frequently. So I anticipate that one probably being done by the next update, but we'll see. Then I have my Colorpop eyeliner. This one is not one that I enjoy. This is what I have left of it. It's very hard to see actually with my hand behind it. So that's what it looks like. And I have marked it on the paper, which I will show you. Consistent progress between the first update and this update. It's a whole like line on this paper. So that's where I'm at, pretty consistent progress. The other thing that I have in this project is my OPI Nail Envy. Not as much progress on this. I really needed to take this off and reapply it, and I just haven't. I've been really bad about my nails lately. So I mean, it might even be a little bit lower than that. No, that's just the way I'm holding it. But that's pretty much where I'm at. So a little tiny bit of progress, but not too much. So I'm going to leave this out and redo my nails later because I really do need to get to them. And I've been really bad about it. So that's where I'm at right now for the Reminiscing Through the Records. I will have everybody participating listed down below. Not too bad, making progress still. This is the only thing that I've started in January and updated twice for because it is seasonal and it's like a shorter project. That has been my Reminiscing Through the Records update. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Stay tuned for upcoming update videos. I'm probably going to sprinkle them in as I can, but it's going to be the same outfit, so you'll know. Big filming day for me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye, guys.